Many service or blog website have a calendar forms, and today we will track them and send data Google Analytics for. Hello everyone, I am Rakiubl Islam. I work as a freelancer. So first of all, look at that is my WordPress website. Before we will start our tracking, connect our Google Tag Manager or our website and Google Tag Manager or Google Analytics 4. So I hope you can do it. So look at that, just scroll the about section and look at that is our calendar forms, and today we will just track it. So first of all, go to the Google Tag Manager options and select the tag options and select the new. Just click the pen icons and select the custom JavaScript code. So we just use a listener code here, so just copy the listener code and the paste here and just trigger the all page and write about our listener code name. So just write custom is TML calendar forms, just save it. And now we just preview it and look at that actually our listener code is work or not. So just preview, just send the website URL and just connect, and that is the processing here. And we just look at that our Google Tag Manager or our website is already connected. So just go to the about sections and scroll down, some loading here. So just go to the inside and go to the tag assistant. You guys just see that our one calendar is already fired here, and that is name is the event types of views. So just select the dates and select the times and click the next options, and we just look at that our another calendar was fired, and that is name is date and time schedules. And just select our names and email address and write just hello and just send it and go to the tag assistant. Look at that our third calendar is fire, and that is name was event schedule. So is everything we will track and send data Google Analytics 4. So first of all, we just go to our tag manager and create a variables. So just create a variables, go to the variable sections and just select new and just select the data layer variables and just write here our calendar events. Just copy it and just paste here, and there is our variables name. So just write DLV data layer variables calendar events and just save it. So our next work is just go to the tag options and select the new, click the pen icon and go to the select the Google Analytics 4, and just here we just put down our Google Analytics 4 measurement ID. So just go to the admin sections, data streams, look at the inside here and just copy the measurement ID. So just copy it and paste here. Okay, and just write our event name. So our event name is just write the calendar. Okay, and that is our event name, and just write the underscore and just select the calendar events. So that is our calendar events, and we just trigger it. We just trigger the plus, click the plus icons and just select our custom event and write our event name. So our event name was just calendar. Just copy it and just paste here and write about our calendar names, trigger names. So just write the calendar trigger. Okay, and just save it. And look at that our all process is okay. We select our Google Analytics 4, put down the measurement ID, select the event name or variables, and that is our trigger. So just write our tag names. So just write calendar tags. Okay, and just save it. So our all process is okay, and we just submit and just preview it. There is actually work or not. Give me some time, they're loading here. So go to the WordPress and just preview it. Okay, just preview it. Just connect, and look at that, our Google Tag Manager or our website is already connected. So just go to the about sections and scroll down, and there is my Calendly forms. So just click the one click and go to the inside and look at that Calendly events, and there is the event types of viewers, and go to the analytics 4. So just go to the debug view options. Look at that, our first event is already here, the calendar page view, and just select the any dates. So just select the 15th and select the times and click the new options, and just look at that, there is that my second event, the date and time schedules, and go to the Google Analytics 4. We just wait, just little bit wait. There is the second event is here, the calendar date and time schedules, and we just write our names and just send, just thank you message, hello, and we just send it. Go to the tag assistant and look at that, our third event is event schedule, and go to the analytics and look at that, our final event is here, the event schedules. So that is for today guys, how to track your calendar forms. Is there any problem, you just contact me, link in the description. Thank you.